The Garrett THD, or Tactical Handheld Detector, was developed by Garrett in response to the specific needs of law enforcement personnel. The THD is rugged, waterproof, compact, and versatile. Policemen ask for a highly sensitive and fully automatic detector small enough to wear on a utility belt, yet easy to use in detecting weapons without touching the suspect and exposing their hands to hypodermic needles. Because officers wanted a silent detector that would not alarm a suspect, the THD responds to metal with vibration and this red light. The adjacent green light indicates the detector is operating, enabling it to detect items such as this. Just over 8 inches long and weighing less than half a pound, the compact THD is extremely rugged. It features a non-slip rubber grip and a heavy-duty ballistic weave holster with belt loop, as well as a Velcro strip for wall or vehicle mounting. To turn on the detector, press and release this waterproof and sealed button. The green light indicates that the THD is operating. The red LED alert light illuminates whenever a metallic target has been discovered while the detector is operating. In addition, the THD silently vibrates each time a metallic target is detected. The THD is designed to detect metal when the detector is in motion. Scanning should be within approximately 1 inch of the person being inspected. Because the THD detects completely around its circumference in all directions, even at the tip, no special handling is required. The red LED alert light will illuminate and vibrations will be felt whenever metal is found anywhere within the unit's detection area. Operation is completely automatic. No retuning or adjusting is ever necessary. Ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel metals will all be detected. To scan feet and ankles, sweep the THD perpendicularly and approximately 1 to 2 inches above the floor or ground. Garrett gave the law enforcement community something extra with the THD, a small LED flashlight. When the detector is turned on, pressing the waterproof and sealed button activates a miniature LED flashlight at the tip of the unit. This light remains constant until the flashlight button is released. Private security personnel in dark office buildings, nightclubs, and similar locations find this flashlight feature especially helpful for close-up inspections in locations where lighting is poor. The THD is powered by a 9-volt battery, which should last for up to 70 hours of normal use. The green LED light will change to amber when the battery is low and needs to be replaced. Approximately 1 hour of use remains when the amber light appears. To replace the battery, unscrew the battery cover at the end of the unit. Let the old battery fall out and slide in a new battery, making certain it is inserted in the proper position. Then, close the battery cover. The battery should be removed when the detector is to be stored and not used for more than 30 days. The THD, designed in response to the needs of law enforcement personnel, is another powerful security tool from Garrett, the world's leading manufacturer of metal detectors.